Hey, people. Back again. Here is Ireland. Irelyn. Let me try to get these. I'm going to get a little more light for you. Hold on. I'm in my dolly area. Let's see if I can get some more light for you. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Hi. Hold on. Okay, this is Irelyn. She has big blue eyes. They're not set yet. Can you see her? Irelyn. Working on her coloring. Right now you're seeing natural light and studio light. Irelyn. She'll be available. And little Tink. Move over, Irelyn. Take a break. This is Tink. She's going to be available. I have 2 Tink kits. This is the one I'm working on. Her eyes are not set yet either. Can you see her? Let me try to get you as much light as possible. This is Tink. She has German glass-blown eyes. And if you want her, please PM me on Facebook. Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. Hello. Oh, she's saying hello. She'll be available. She's available. Look at the difference in size.
Hello. Hi. Do you want to play? No. Why not? I don't have any arms and legs on. I don't have a body, but we could play.
Let's have some fun. Anyway, so I'm working on them. And this little girl is Tink. Could be a boy. Right, Tink? Move the eyes around. Oh. Oh. You put your hand inside and you move the eyes around and, oh, that's not good. Oh. I don't know which way I'm going to make her eyes go. But anyway, I got her glass-blown eyes in. She has a belly plate. Arms and legs are going in the oven. Yep. And a cloth doe suede body. Tink. Her eyes will be set and glued in once I'm done. Bald, $6.25 plus shipping. Depends on where you are located for the shipping price. If you would like her with lightly rooted hair, $150 extra for lightly rooted hair, premium mohair. My babies come with premium glass beads and premium polyfill. No sand. She also can come bald. She'll be about $500 bald, $150 for lightly rooted hair. She's really cute. Irelyn. This baby's from Bountiful Baby. I use Genesis Heat Set paints. What else do I use? I use all premium items for the babies. Can you see her little face? Let's see. See that little face? Anyway, it's a beautiful day here in the neighborhood. It's February 15th, and the weather is nice. What? What did you just say?
I want to go out and play now. What? I want to go out and play. You said you have no arms and legs, and I have no body. How are we going to play? Somebody's going to throw us out in the grass? Oh.
All right, babies. When you're done, you could go out and play. Or you might get adopted. Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery babies. Yes, every baby I work on, I learn on each baby to get better at my craft. Do you want to go out and play? No. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. Okay. Hear my jungle in the background? I'm not really in the jungle. I'm listening to bird sounds, so it's okay. All right, say goodbye to the babies. Oh, let me show you. On the back, I make my own little trademark. My initials and a heart. Trying to make it little. So I'm going to go put these two babies, their legs and arms and belly plates, in the oven. Do you want to see an arm? I'll show you Irelyn's little hand. Can you see? Little nails. I still got a lot of tweaking to do. Tweaking.
Hi.
All right, girls. I'm going. I'm boring you. Check me out on Facebook. Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery is my page. And then I have a second Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery, which is my second page. I have groups. You'll find my name and you'll find my groups. And I will not tolerate drama. I will not tolerate negativity. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it. Be nice to each other. That's what we need in this world. We need to be kind. We need to bring back kindness. No more nonsense. Be nice. Be happy. Okay? Be friends. Talk to each other. Put the phones down in restaurants. We don't need them. Well, we need them for this, but... What? What? No! You can't go out and play without a body. Look at this face. All right, girls, I'm going. Goodbye. Have a lovely day.